Gonna do a crack shield today. That's where our shield's gonna go. Through and cut all my flexi flanges at 10 inches so I can start running up the wall. Get them fastened and buttoned. It comes all the way over, runs all the way over into the stone. So we make sure that we got drainage. And then we'll seal this going up, put buttons and stuff in it, and then shield over top of it. I have the flexi flange on. The next step is to go around the perimeter of it and seal it with some finish seal. Okay, flexi flanges installed. Went around with the finish seal all the way down the perimeters here, all the way across the top, across the seams, hit the buttons so that my shield will stick to there, and then I put my shield at the top and then come down the sides again. The finish seal to seal the crack shield to the wall, and then I'll go through and drive all my buttons in, one along the sides, and sealed the shield with finish seal. Drove the buttons in. You can see the finish seal oozing out. There's a big seal all the way around. Now we just need to put some stone and get ready for concrete. Backfill with the stone. I use the bigger pieces. Don't use all the little ground up stuff. The crack shield's finished. Concrete's finished. Flexi flanges. Shield, tape, buttons, finish seal. No more water leaks. So we are good to go.